Olive Again by Elizabeth Strout. This sequel revisits Olive Kitteridge, offering interwoven stories of her life and others in her coastal Maine town, highlighting love, aging, and human connection. Olive Again is a moral and philosophical novel that follows Olive, an older woman grappling with her flaws and life realities. The story explores themes of loneliness, relationships, and aging, with Olive, reflecting on love, forgiveness, and redemption, highlights the human nature and the impact of choices on our experiences. Olive Again explores themes such as aging, forgiveness, and acceptance. Olive is a main character who finds joy in aging and faces life's challenges while being interconnected with family and friends. Throughout the story, we see Olive struggle with loneliness and loss. This story reminds us that despite life's challenges, there is beauty to be found in the future. The author emphasizes the need of embrace our flaws, find solace, and live life to the fullest.